Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on our gold pair. But before that, if you're interested in trading USD pair like Euro USD, GBP USD, gold and other USD related pair, all you have to do is go to the Telegram channel, which you will find a link in the comment section. This week there is going to be a free signal on USD pairs. So if you trade USD pair, GBP USD and so, go to the comment section. You will find the link. Click on the link, and you get the trade for free. It is absolutely free, by the way. No charges, absolutely free. So go ahead, join the channel and trade. So if you take a look at this forecast on on gold, sorry, you clearly can see that our full trend is an uptrend move. You clearly can see from the month of June, it has actually pushed up, full trend, uptrend. But when you take a look at something here, you will see that within this level, market is actually ranging, right? You clearly see the market is literally ranging within this level here. So once we come to tap this level, which I believe it will push up a bit, once we come to tap this our support resistance level, then we should expect it to actually drop to this our support level. But for right now, we are still expecting it to push up to our resistance level. So this will not take us to our 1 hour time frame, which means this is our support level. So whatever you want to be doing on gold is actually a buy. So look to buy to cut this resistance level on gold. So once market taps this resistance level, I'll give you guys an update. That's the updates will be in the Telegram channel. So if you're interested, you'll find the link in the comment section.